Maintenance is always cheaper than repair. An ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. These two metaphors can be applied to knowledge and your path moving forward. The more knowledge you have is like the repairing of your vehicle. You're adding on to your spaceship as you go through these astral travels. It's the prevention so you can move fluidly through all these influences. So, taking the time to work on yourself, gain the necessary knowledge, follow these synchronicities that come down your path, utilizing these rabbit holes for your benefit, realizing that some of them are dug by wolves, because even then you can learn how the gatekeepers work. So you move around with this higher consciousness to make your travels the most efficient and rewarding as possible. You dig? Chee!